Oh, rise up. Oh, stand now. Feel it moving through your body now. Oh, wake up. Oh, breathe in. You are more than what you've been. You are not the mask you wear. You are something deeper there. Feel the pulse beneath the skin. Let the real you step in. There's a fire in your chest. Not a thought, something expressed. Not the voice inside your head, but the life that moves instead. Step in right now. Wake up somehow, feel it, don't think. You are closer than you think. Animator shift. Animator shift. I am the force that moves through this. Animator shift. Yeah. Animator shift. I don't chase, I become, I exist. Yeah. Animator shift. Animator shift. Feel the body come alive like this. Animator shift. Animator shift. Step in, breathe in, rise in this. Move now. Breathe now. Feel now. You are here now. Rise now. Stand now. Own it. This is your sound. Drop the weight you used to hold. Drop the story you were told. In this moment you can see you are pure identity. Not the doubt, not the fear. Something real is waking here. Feel it moving in your spine. This is power, this is life. If not now, when? If not you, then feel the shit begin again. No more waiting, no more holding. You are what has been unfolding. Animator shift. Animator shift. I am the force that moves through this. Yeah. Animator shift. Yeah. Animator shift. I don't chase, I become, I exist. Yeah. Animator shift. Animator shift. Feel the energy expand in this soul. Animator shift. Animator shift. Stand tall, breathe deep, live in this soul. Stand now. You are fully here now. Oh, breathe in. Oh, step in. This is where